Discover the timeless fun of Hasbro Gaming's Jenga Classic. If there's one game that has stood the test of time, delivering endless fun and excitement to people of all ages, it's the Hasbro Gaming Jenga Classic. Known for its simple yet engaging gameplay, Jenga is a household staple that brings friends and families together in the spirit of friendly competition. The thrill of the stack. Jenga is all about balance, precision, and nerve. The game starts with a tower built from 54 genuine hardwood blocks, each meticulously crafted to fit together perfectly. Players take turns removing one block at a time from the lower levels and placing it on top of the tower. With each move, the structure becomes increasingly unstable, raising the stakes with every block added. The goal? Don't be the one to make the tower topple. The simplicity of Jenga's rules makes it accessible to players as young as 6, yet the challenge of maintaining a stable tower keeps even the most experienced players on their toes. It's this combination of easy-to-learn gameplay and strategic depth that has made Jenga a favorite for decades. Quality you can trust. One of the standout features of the Jenga Classic game is the quality of its components. The hardwood blocks are not only durable but also smooth and uniform, ensuring that they slide out easily, adding to the suspense of the game. This attention to detail enhances the overall experience, making every game feel special and ensuring that the set will last for years of play. Perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, planning a family game night, or just looking for something fun to do on a rainy day, Jenga fits the bill. Its versatility is one of the reasons it has become such a beloved game. You can play it with just one other person or in a larger group, making it an ideal choice for gatherings of any size. Jenga is also a great way to engage kids in activities that develop their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and strategic thinking. Plus, the excitement of seeing the tower grow taller and more precarious with each turn never fails to captivate both children and adults alike. A game for all ages. Although it's marketed for ages 6 and up, Jenga is a game that truly spans generations. Young children can enjoy the thrill of the game just as much as adults, making it a fantastic way to bridge the age gap during family gatherings. It's also a great icebreaker at parties, helping people connect and have fun together. For solo players, Jenga offers a satisfying challenge as well. Trying to beat your own personal best in terms of tower height can be just as rewarding as playing with others. Conclusion. A must-have in every game collection. The Hasbro Gaming Jenga Classic is more than just a game. It's a timeless activity that fosters connection, creativity, and fun. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its universal appeal, providing hours of entertainment for players of all ages. Whether you're a seasoned Jenga veteran or new to the game, it's a must-have addition to any game collection. So, why not bring home a set today and see how high you can stack it? With Jenga, the fun is always just a block away. Discover